Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. So today we're making a high protein dip slash spread because really you can actually use these both ways, and I'll tell you a little bit about that in a minute. So I had an idea of making this roasted garlic cottage cheese dip for a while, so it was on my to-do list, and we were seeing some friends for drinks at one of their homes, and it was just a great opportunity for me to make this and get everybody's opinion. So I made it in the morning and I tried it and it was very good, and then I left it in the fridge until we were ready to leave. So I actually brought some grain-free chips and some chickpea chips, and she had some veggies, and we tried it, and I have to tell you that the flavor from when I made it until that evening was like night and day. So this is the type of dip that really needs to hang out in the fridge for a while to get all the flavors to really, marry together. It was so delicious. So the ladies asked for the recipe and they were very excited to make it. My husband has been asking for it on repeat, which is great. And I've also been actually using some for my avocado toast in the morning. So I always have avocado toast, but with different types of toppings. So I decided to use some of this roasted garlic cottage cheese spread on top with some everything but the bagel seasoning, and it's quite delicious. So I hope you guys love it as much as I do. So let's make this roasted garlic cottage cheese dip slash spread. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to grab a medium to large size garlic bulb, and you want to cut off the top so you're exposing each clove of garlic. This is typically made in foil, but I like to use a stainless steel pot with a lid. So you're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil directly on top of the cloves of garlic. And a nice big pinch of salt. I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to bake this at 400 for 35 to 45 minutes until golden and very soft. And then you're going to set that aside to cool. We're going to grab our food processor. We're going to add 1 cup of cottage cheese. This is lactose free. 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. This is also lactose free. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of fresh Parmigiano. This is about 1/4 teaspoon to about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. We are going to mix this on high for 1 to 2 minutes until it's very smooth. Scrape down the sides a few times. Next, we're going to squeeze the garlic cloves into the food processor, not adding any of the skin. This is the oil that I used to roast the garlic, so whatever you have left over, just add it in. And now we're gonna process that for 30 seconds to a minute. Lastly, I like to add about 1 tablespoon or 2 of fresh parsley, and we're just gonna pulse that a few times until it looks like it's nicely chopped. And we're going to refrigerate for a minimum of 3 hours, but overnight's best. This is our roasted garlic cottage cheese dip or spread. Let's make our avocado toast. This is a slice of sourdough that I have toasted. I like to drizzle a little good quality olive oil on top. This is 1/2 an avocado smashed with a little lemon juice and salt, and a big tablespoon of the roasted garlic cottage cheese dip. I like to sprinkle a little everything but the bagel seasoning on top. Enjoy this high protein, high fiber with healthy fats avocado cottage cheese toast. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this roasted garlic cottage cheese dip or spread, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.